Greetings and welcome back to my channel Trisha Bakes. Today we're making apple crumble bars. I'm starting off by peeling and chopping my apples into cubes, and then I'm going to toss them in some fresh lemon juice to stop them from browning. Chopped apples, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, roughly a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon each of freshly grated nutmeg and mixed spice, and also 1 tablespoon of cornflour. I'm going to give it all a quick mix and then set it aside for later. To make the crust and crumbles, I'm going to add 280 grams of plain flour alongside 100 grams of granulated sugar, 185 grams of unsalted butter cut into small cubes, and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And then I'm going to use my pastry blender and give this all a good mix until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. I'm going to add 2/3 of the mixture to the bottom of my pan and using the back of the spoon to press it out evenly. Next, I'm going to evenly spread my apple mixture on top of the base. To the remaining dough, I added roughly a tablespoon of oats and a tablespoon of brown demerara sugar before covering the apples evenly. After baking, allow the crumble to completely cool in the pan before removing and cutting into bars. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Until next time, blessings.